What is good, everyone? Market's about to open here in less than a minute, and we are in an area that I could go short in. Stop just above this high, but I'm not too sure how I'm feeling about that because whenever I see something happen pre-market, I feel like it doesn't usually go my way, to be honest. So I might just stay out of it unless we are able to kind of close below here. Oh wow, look at that. I would have had my profit target hit. That's all right. I could still go in for another short opportunity here somewhere. Yeah, I might go in for a short. I'm hesitant. I'm not gonna enter. I'm hesitant. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. But yeah, I definitely could have entered short right there, as I said. Would have gotten my TP hit right away. Would have been nice. But, it's better to just play it safe than sorry. I could have re-entered here. For sure, but as again, I want to wait a little bit. I don't want to rush into things right away. Yeah, we're gonna keep going down. Could definitely enter there, but you know what? I think I'm actually gonna go fill up my water bottle. So then it also forces me to just have to wait as well. Okay, we're coming into our first low volume node. It'll be interesting to see what happens in this area. yeah, nothing too interesting. I just kind of want to like hopefully be done kind of early today because it's a Friday, so I feel like Fridays are usually a little sus. Alright, I just finished signing all the documents necessary for my Unfiltered Futures live account. Cool. It probably take like 2 to 5 business days for the live account to be processed, which is fine. Like I was kind of expecting that. So in the meantime, we're just gonna be trading the take profit accounts as well as the temporary live account on per diem. I think there's like Chicago PMI data being released at 9:45. So the thing is, I don't know if I would want to enter short here, because we can just see from the 15-minute chart on the volume profile, you see this low volume node I have drawn right here. You can also see that there's been a decent amount of rejections in this area right there, and also like over here. So I don't really know, but then again, like since there have been so many rejections, we could kind of just go straight through as well. And this area is my next demand zone. It's about 100 points down. Oh, well, we might get it right here, potentially. Just gonna draw it out just in case. Just kidding. So far we're at equal highs right here. If we make a new high, then the model is invalid. But it seems like even if it's equal highs, it's like still might be fine, to be honest. No, now it's invalidated. I wouldn't mind seeing like a bounce or the model play on the 89, because on the 89 it should occur. Or not that it should occur, but like we have a possibility of having that model play out. Unless we break the new lows, or not new lows, but unless we break current day's low, then the model is invalid on the 89R. If we start to push, since we haven't broken this low over here, so if we do start to push up and we end up breaking these highs up here, then we might have the 89, the model on the 89R. That's as long as this low isn't broken. Oh, it's just broken. Guess it won't be happening. Yeah, the order flow is just kind of telling me that we're going to be going down, down, down for the time being. Probably go at least another 30 points down or so to the next low volume node area. I didn't even realize something. Look at the 89. My model play occurred right here as well. Definitely could have entered off on this candle. Stop just above this high. I wasn't paying attention. I was a little too focused on like the 34-hour play right here. Go back to the 34. I'm tempted to go in short around this area. I'm tempted, but I don't know if I will. Oh, I'm not tempted so much anymore, actually. I don't think I'm super upset with how the price market or how the market has been moving so far to open. It's definitely gotten worse. It's not horrible. That 144 did close right about here. Pretty bearish in my opinion. So let's see if we can get that retracement back in here and have our model play. Because I will be interested in short position if that does occur. I don't know, I'm kind of tempted to enter short here. Oh no. Alright, I literally just pressed sell market order, but I don't think it like really registered. I probably pressed it like right here, but as I pressed it, price just went straight down to here. That's why I yelled out, oh no. But it doesn't seem like I got like it triggered. Which is, I'm not complaining about that. Because I knew that we were at that low volume node area, so I knew that there was potential room for like a tiny bounce. But once I just saw that we were able to close below here, I was like, all right, you know what? I'm gonna shoot my shot. So I tried to enter short there. I was gonna put my stop above this high, and I probably would have gotten either just, depending on my fill, I probably would have just got filled, or my stop would have been at break even. All right, now we're getting that retracement. So let's see if we're able to hold underneath like all of this, hold beneath under all of this right here. Kind of like how we were doing yesterday. So it's fairly close to that 50% level. So I would say if we do get my model play here, I'll take the entry. Okay, so we need this candle to be down close. All right, now let's retrace back in there. Unless we just kind of go straight down. Oh, it's gonna be one of those. It's gonna be one of those where we kind of just go straight down without even touching back up here, maybe. I do like the 144 candle that did just close. Let's see if we can push up a little bit. If not, I still might try to take an entry. But preferably, I would like to see price come up here. Okay, we're pushing up a little bit higher, which is good. Okay, we just touched it. Let's see if we're able to get that down close with some relative strong weakness. It doesn't seem like we'll get it, yeah. If we start to close above here, then I will switch to longs. If this isn't up close, then I will switch into longs. We had that buy order right there. Could be sells though. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna play this one because we disrespected this zone. Yeah, we might close below there. If we can kind of retrace back into here and get a nice down close candle that has decent strength to the downside, then I might enter. I don't know, the order flow is looking a little more on the bullish side. Yeah, see it just closed to the upside. What about this candle here? Still a little bit more bullish than I would like, to be honest. No, I'm not gonna enter. I was about to press the trigger to enter, but did not. Probably would have been at break even right now. Yeah, let's see if we can get my model here to the upside. I would say even though if we do close above here, above like the 120, 122 area, so pretty much above this candle high, I think I would still be interested in going long, just because we had this 34R that the zone didn't really hold. I mean, it kind of did. It didn't really break above this high. So let's see what happens here. If we break this low, then maybe we will continue to the downside. Okay, yeah, maybe we will continue to the downside. Not too sure. I'm tempted to kind of go long. But nah, I think I might just hold off still. Had a couple of chances to enter a position. But nothing was kind of screaming at me. Nothing was really telling me to enter. So I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, you see, I knew I kind of wanted to go along that area. Let's see if we can get a retracement into the 112 area. It's like right around here. Okay, we get that retracement. Now let's see if we want to kind of push up to the upside now. I might take a long entry here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Probably didn't get in at the best spot, to be honest. Alright, let's see if my hunch is right. A little bit more of a stronger push here is needed. But also I might just close out manually. I'm not liking how it's looking. It's looking a little bit more weak.
Order filled.
Yep. There it is. Should have stuck to my original. But I was kind of being biased because, you know, we hit that low volume node right there. I'm tempted to kind of enter short. Now, but I think that's just because I took the 1L. Ooh. Now we want to have that bounce. LOL. This might be a good area for the shorts if we continue to the downside. I don't know, we actually might push higher. The reason why I say that is just because we have this selling pressure here, but price is kind of pushing it to the upside. I might try to go long. But I kind of want to stick true to my model, because I didn't really stay true to my model right here, maybe the best.
Order submitted.
Going for the long right there. Stop maybe just below this low. Or maybe below this low. Maybe below this low. Oh, are we gonna get stopped out again? Out.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be sticking to my model right now. I'm not gonna deviate from it, because you know it seems like I'm deviating from it a little bit, and I'm just getting stopped out. I probably would have been done already for the day too, if I took that very first trade in the beginning. It's just I'm hesitant to go short though. It's just because the area we're in. I might have to stop trading on the per DA account because I already took 2 L's. But I'm tempted to go short. There's a lot of selling pressure right here. Look at that, 418. Might try to go for a short here.
Order submitted.
Gonna go for a short, stop just above this high. Well, I'm not liking the short anymore. I think we're just not having a good day today. It seems like it might just be one of those days. I'm not following my model though, that's the thing. But it does seem like my model just appeared actually right here, so that's good. Right here. Let's see that down close candle. If no down close candle here, then might have to switch to the longs, but definitely hoping for that down close. Nice, we do get that down close candle, so let's see if we can kind of push more to the downside. But just a little nerve-wracking because we've already pushed down so much today. Break even.
Target filled.
Okay, target filled, nice. I mean, I didn't follow my model to the T right there, but you know, it still kind of happened, which is good. So maybe if we can retrace back into this area again, maybe I'll have another opportunity to go in short. But we are kind of coming up into a demand zone down here, so definitely just got to be aware of that. Okay, we reached this area again. Let's see if we get a little bit of a down close.
Order submitted.
Wow, I got in so far down. Stop, I'm gonna have to put there. Targeting these lows. I'm not liking this. Okay, let's keep pushing down a little bit. Once I see that 5 points in profit, we're gonna move to break even. Hasn't happened just yet. Okay, let's get that push down. Looks like you might want to keep pushing up, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Yeah, we got stopped out again. So we had a good play right here. If we kind of just waited without taking all those other entries, without taking this entry here, without taking this entry there, and we just followed our model here, we would have been fine. But obviously I didn't follow my model. This is why you follow your model. If you don't, you just start doing random stuff, and it doesn't end up well for you. Let's see if my model occurs here. Yeah, let's see if we can get a little bit of retracement back into here. Excuse me. I might honestly just enter anyways, because there's that demand zone right here. This is the swing low right here. If we get a down close below here, I'm going to enter. Oh my god. Yeah, look. It happened way too quick, but wow, I knew it. Ah, it's unfortunate. That's annoying. Probably should just set a limit order, honestly. Sell limit order. I don't know. We might have to just end the day on red. Had my chances, but I did not seize them correctly. Seize the opportunity correctly, to be honest. But now we're in that demand zone, so I can't really go short in here, to be honest. I'm just a little, I guess, annoyed and maybe upset with myself how I just didn't follow my model. Because me not following my model, you see that we took the L's. It's gonna be a good area to short for a quick scalp. Psych. I don't know, we're coming off that demand zone, so even if we kind of reject off this zone here that I had drawn out, I don't know if it's really gonna hold or not. Let's see. I don't know if I would enter with this down close candle having positive delta, to be honest. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna enter. Oh,
Order
I like
submitted.
that one. Stop output just above this high. Really don't want it to go above there. Alright, just a little bit more of a push to the downside. Alright, break even.
Stop filled.
Oh, wow. Okay. If we get a close above here, I'm going long.
Order submitted.
Stop just below this low. I try to aim for 20. Yeah, that's a good area. It's just right before that low volume node area. Because we're also bouncing off this demand zone area, and we kind of had this close above this high that I entered, and didn't seem like price wanted to kind of respect it to the downside. So thinking there will be a little switch, a little flip to up here. Yeah, let's see if we can hold. I feel like we should, unless I get faked out again. I might have just gotten faked out again. Damn. Okay, yeah. So
Stop
I'm
filled.
definitely gonna stop trading my per day account. Yeah, I'm not trading that guy anymore. I don't think anymore for today. The My Funded Futures though, or not My Funded Futures, the Take Profit account, I'll still probably trade. We're gonna push here now. I'm tempted to enter. We're in that 55 retracement area to the downside though, so we may keep pushing down. Also, I think for right now, we are down a bit, so I'm just gonna aim for 5 points. Okay, on the 55 to the downside, I am looking at this area right there. We were able to, seems like we were able to close below on the 34, but now we're just kind of waiting for that 55 R to close below. Oh, that's a little slow. So a lot of selling that happened there. We're kind of bouncing from this area, so I don't know if this is actually going to hold. Yeah, I might take my chances for the long here. Just as I say that, the candle, we get that spike up. We got my fill there. Also, this is now invalid. New area on the 55 I'm looking at for shorts is here. Yeah, we definitely got a little smoked today for sure. But let's see if we can try to climb back. Yeah, I feel like these past couple of days I've been deviating away from my model a little bit, and I've been having a little bit more issues, or more losses and everything. So it just goes to show you, stay true to your model. Okay, we did just get that close underneath, so I think I will go in for a quick snipe here.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Okay, Okay, yep. I'm interested in the 55. See how it does here. It's a little sus though to go to the downside because the supply zone's kind of right there. Yeah, we might push up instead. That's kind of what I'm thinking. It just depends. If we kind of break this area up here, then you know, my short idea is invalid. Yeah, and also what's been getting me as well is like we invalidate the zone area and then I try to go for the reversal. So I think I'm done trying to do that. I'm done trying to go for that reversal. It just hasn't been working out for me as of late. Kind of do like going long though in this area. The reason being, you can see on the 89, we do have some selling pressure here with the up close candle and at that demand zone. Have a nice gap here, inefficiency. We kind of retrace back into here. We have that up close candle with more selling pressure at the bottom. So I'm actually thinking my zone won't hold and we'll actually keep pushing up. But I think it's also a little too late to try to enter long. I'm so tempted to go long, like it's crazy. Market doesn't want to, when I press buy market, it doesn't want to like enter. But for what? I tried pressing it 2 times and it didn't enter for me. I think I tried entering like right around 108. Yeah, and this is still a swing high, so technically we're still like in an area for shorts.
Order
right.
submitted.
Stop will just be just above this high.
Order
I
filled.
didn't switch or take off my per dia account. I need to do that. Just trading the take profits right now.
Order submitted.
Going for that quick scalp to the upside. Stop maybe just below this candle low. Tried putting at break even, but I wasn't able to get that fill. So maybe if I can get stopped out of break even.
Order filled.
Okay, nice. Yeah, so really bad day today, like extremely bad. Didn't follow my model for a bunch of the times, which is a no-no. We close below here. I'm going for a sell.
Order submitted.
Stop just above there. Should hit 5 points, I think.
Target filled.
Okay, nice. Yeah, you see, as I was saying, as long as we don't really break above this swing high, we're still in the area for shorts. The 144 candle did close.
Order submitted.
Stop would be just above here. Stop break even if I can.
Target filled.
Target filled. Now I'm just going to be doing these very quick scalps. Dang, I still can't believe like I just didn't really follow my model. And when I did, when there was the opportunity at the market open on the 34, let's just revisit it. Because, you know, you got to make these mistakes, these errors to really improve. And I've been making these errors for a while. So yeah, at market open, we just pushed above this high and I could have entered there. It would have been perfect, which I probably should have in hindsight, but I guess I wasn't really feeling secure about it. Then what about this 34 area here? We broke above it. But I guess, again, we didn't, actually we did break above that high, so it would have been invalid anyways. But this one, we never broke above that swing high here. We had another model here occur here, so probably could have entered short. I might go in for a short in this area.
Order submitted.
Just quick scalp. Stop just above this high. Oh, I think I entered way too soon. I was looking at the wrong thing. Oops. I might take in another entry to the downside.
Order submitted.
Took another one. Target there. Yeah, I entered at not the spot I was looking to enter at. Actually, I might aim for a 10 points. These are take profit accounts as well. Just we're bouncing off that demand zone area potentially. So it is a little sus to kind of try to go long here, or short, excuse me. Yeah, it seems like we might be pushing up and I'm just gonna get stopped out. And these evals are I'm definitely gonna have to get new evals. Oh, I mean, this could actually be our savior right here. All this buying pressure. If we do kind of close underneath, then we might be going to the downside a bit more. Yeah, but today is not a good day for us. Lost a good amount on that per dia account. Which I am kind of upset about. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here. And these evals are gonna be gone. Yeah, I definitely just need to be sticking to my model. Hello. Morning, Ben. Yes, it's new down. Good morning, bud. Looks like it wants to start kind of curling down, but I don't have too much faith in it. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out on this run now. Let's see. It's like price doesn't know what it wants to do right now. And then we're gonna get stopped out there.
Order filled.
Yep, there it is. Yeah, so those accounts are kind of done for now. Look, if I just
Order submitted.
Yeah. So those accounts are done for. I don't know. I'm kind of tempted to just be on the lookout for the Perdia account. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end my live here. Definitely wasn't the best day we had. Didn't really follow our model to the T, to be honest. We took maybe like 5 or so trades that weren't really specific to my model, and it definitely did cost us for sure. But you know, it is what it is. I'm just glad, like, you know, I still have the Perdia accounts. The Perdia account was a part of like the 100K account challenge, so I had like 3K in funding, but now it's pretty much like as if I just passed like a 50K account, so it's just just under below like $2,000 in terms of how much, like, what my starting balance is. So I think that's just I'm just gonna kind of see it like that, how it was like a 50K account and we just took like 1 loss. That's how I'm gonna see it. I think that'll definitely help me. But yeah, these take profit accounts, definitely done with. Gonzo. Definitely gonna have to get new evals for sure, and we'll kind of just see what happens. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna end it. You know, it wasn't the best day, but we'll move on from this. I know we'll come back even better. Peace.